Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa salatu wassalamu ala Rasulullah. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to my class. The class or the course name is going to be Syntax and Morphology. Syntax and Morphology. And I will be giving you a brief introduction or a glance about the course soon. But let me first say to you who I am and my background. My name is Dr. Abdullah Al-Mulhim. And I do have a PhD in TESOL from the United States, from the University of Mississippi. I've been the Dean of Al-Ahsa College of Technology for about 6 years, and I'm also a member of so many committees in the English major, also in some administrative some administrative issues back in the College of Technology, and now in the National Industrial Training Institute in Al-Ahsa with Aramco, with Saudi Aramco. Anyway, let me take you through the content of the course. Again, the name of the course is Syntax and Morphology, and as you can see now on the screen, that Syntax and Morphology is going to be the third and last course on English grammar and syntax. It's going to be the third and last course on English grammar and syntax. It will introduce students to the main advances in English generative syntax. It will cover different aspects of transformational generative grammar and the recent advances in minimal grammar and universal grammar. These are topics that we'll be, inshallah, talking about more and more, and we will elaborate more so they can be clear and plausible to you. Also, the course will include a survey of the main methods of morphology and word formation. The course rationale, I believe it's going to be very important for all the students majoring in English as a second language or as a foreign language. It will provide them with a quick review of the theory of syntax. We'll cover that, inshallah. And also it will introduce students to the recent advances in the study of grammar and all the studies that tackle the components of grammar and the breakdown of sentences or the rules that govern sentences in English. Also, it is needed for the understanding of grammatical theories and pursuing scholarship in this vital area of linguistics. For any second or foreign language learner, syntax and morphology are vital, are very important to have or to learn and acquire as a skill or as a competence to pursue their education, their future education. The course objectives, as you can see here on the screen, that by the end of this course, I hope that the students should be able to demonstrate knowledge of the stages and development of transformational generative grammar, and we'll talk more in depth about the TG. We call it transformational generative grammar. We call it TGG or TG or G in G. We'll be talking more about it, inshallah, later throughout the course. And also the course, or by the end of the course, the students should be able to show knowledge of the recent advances in minimal and universal grammar. And also we'll talk more and elaborate more on the minimal and universal grammar. And not to mention that they should, or students should, really apply generative grammar techniques in analyzing English structure. So they should have the knowledge in applying generative grammar techniques in analyzing English structure and sentences. The course also should help students to discuss and compare various linguistic social, and psycholinguistic theories of grammar. We'll be talking, more and more about those, crucial and important topics in the field of syntax and morphology, inshallah, during the course. The teaching methods, I'll be using so many methods, among which is the lectures, as we are doing it now, also plus the live lectures that I, was told about the organizers that they will organize about 3 lectures sometime later, and you should be attending these lectures. So I'll be all the way with you on every week, and hopefully with the live lectures too. Also, hopefully there will be handouts. I'll be handing you out some, supplemental materials, some handouts that will be helping you throughout the course, inshallah. And also there will be some hands-on applications I'll be using, hopefully on the screen here. I'll be using sort of, diagrams, or 3 diagrams that would help you understanding the whole topic about transformational grammar. Also, I would be relying so much on your feedback. The students' feedback is crucial to me, so I can understand the areas, or I pinpoint or shed light or more light on the problematic areas that you're experiencing, so I can focus on them more and elaborate more on them till they are clear and fine to you. I'll probably use some quizzes. I'm not quite sure yet, but probably assignments should be there. I'll be giving you certain assignments throughout the course that will help you go on step by step throughout the course to master the course and the course content. The course evaluation, it's not that different from any other courses. The attendance and participation. Sorry, here there is a typo here. Attendance will be 10% without participation, and participation is going to be 10%. The assignments is going also to be 10% out of the total of the course marks, and the final exam is 70%. So we have 10 and 10 and 10. That's 30, and 70 for final exam. That's 100. So make sure that you do understand those in particular, so you can plan your studying in a very good manner. Again, textbooks and references. Those textbooks that you can see now on the screen are the textbooks given to me by the university. Now, I am still digging here and there till I find you probably a textbook that you could rely on more, I would say. Now, not to mention that those textbooks that you can see here on the screen, they are very good textbooks and references. So we'll be talking more about the main textbook later on, but these are the textbooks for the time being. Now, the main textbook, as you can see again in the screen, is the English Syntax, an Introduction. It's by Haviland Dick. And the other one is by Andrew McCarthy. It's an Introduction to English Morphology. Also, we have references. The same author of the main textbook is going to be an English syntax, and also the Randall Hendrick is the minimalist syntax, also would be a good reference. Not to mention also the website that you can see now on the screen that you can always refer back to, because they have so many useful topics that would help you throughout the course and to understand the different areas and aspects of the course. Now, on my part, as a teacher or as an instructor, I do promise you that I will be doing my best to make sure that everything is down to earth. That means I will do my best to make it as easy as possible to you so you can understand it. Now, I do understand that syntax and morphology are not easy topics. I do understand that I will do my best regarding them, but please, 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 again, do me a favor. If you don't know something, if you have a problem with something or a problem understanding something, please refer back to me. My email is going to be given out to you next lecture. And also there is a jawal, there is a mobile phone, a cellular phone that will be given to me. They call it jawal al-muqarrar, or the cellular phone for the course. I'll be in touch with you throughout the course. Please do not hesitate. Do not hesitate to ask questions. If you have any queries, clarifications, please let me know about it, and I'll do my best to explain it more, to elaborate more on it. This is my promise to you. I do expect a lot from you. I know this is distance learning. It's not as the regular type of learning, so there is a lot on your part. I will do my part, and hopefully, inshallah, I'll be successful in doing that. But there is still your part that I'm hoping would be fulfilling my part. Wishing you all the best, wishing you all success, and hopefully by the end of the course we'll be all having a great experience, a new knowledge in the English language and English language learning. And I'll be more than happy to assist you throughout the course, as I said earlier. Again, at the end, all what I can say is good luck with you. Wish you the best, and I should be there, attending there for any queries and questions you should have or you may have. أتمنى إن شاء الله أني وصلت المعلومة بشكل جيد for the first lecture or المحاضرة التمهيدية. Again, if you have any questions regarding المحاضرة التمهيدية or the contents of the course, please do not hesitate to contact me later on, and allow me inshallah to see you next week. Till next week, wish you inshallah pleasant weekends and pleasant weekdays inshallah. تحياتي. فما الله.